let's dive into the first topic, which is about telling or sharing something about yourself. I think the reason why this is important, Sindre, is to be able to give people a chance to relate to you. You need to give them something. All right, let's simply try and do the first exercise. And what we're going to try and do here is we're just going to try and time the length of our answers. And the reason why I want to do that is we want to prolong it. So we want you to share more than maybe what you're doing. So what did you do in this weekend?
Yeah, I had a quiet weekend actually. I didn't do much. Stayed at home. And that was it. Got to relax a bit. It was quite nice.
All right, we're just going to stop it there. So the length of the answer was about 15 seconds. Let's try and do the same exercise one more time, but let's try and prolong the answer. So what did you do in the weekend?
Yeah, I had a quiet, peaceful weekend.
It says 2 minutes and 20 seconds. How did that feel?
It can be difficult with such a simple question and a very uneventful weekend. It also feels good in a way to talk more. It makes me reflect as well, sort of as I'm talking, as I'm sharing.
You know, I think the big difference between the first time and the second time here is you're giving me way more detail. So you're saying you have a hobby that is climbing. You're also saying that you like to read a book. And that way, by giving me more, there's also more that I can jump in and hang on to. Easy exercise, but very powerful. And I promise you, if you start sharing more, it'll be much easier for other people to be able to relate to you.